I don't think Greg has I was coming around out in a big tongue. Let me open it up, Jonah. No, I can't. Do not touch his nipples. You're ready to say hi to YouTube. Not touch.
Hello, YouTube. Chris, let me borrow your lighter. That's touching my nipples.
He doesn't have a lighter. You can't touch people's nipples. It's bad.
Hey, I said that. Stop those, my nipples.
Oh, I'm sorry. Monster! Ouchie! Cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! What do we want? We want cheese sticks! Cheese sticks, cheese sticks, cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! What do we want? We want cheese sticks! Cheese sticks, cheese sticks! What do we want? We want cheese sticks! Cheese sticks! Hey, Drew. What? Mountain Dew sucks. I'm sorry, cuz Mountain Dew sucks dick. I'm kidding, it's awesome.
Stop! It's gonna have a heart attack.
Let's watch the video now.
You wanna borrow my knife?
Cousin. Mountain Dew rolls. Jared Hartline. This guy right here says, oh boy, so I got a big dick. But, Jared Hartline. He's like saying that I got a big dick and stuff like that.